So we are very much concerned about the water because our entire production or volumes or sales that is dependent on the water. So Coca-Cola globally since 2015 we have taken various initiatives. We are having Alliance for Water Stewardship program that has been implemented on 7 bottling plants and 1 concentrated manufacturing plant. So we are basically whatever the water we are using for our product, we are giving more water back to the communities and to the nature. So we are having different like initiatives like wetland floating plants. Then like we are partner in the Recharge Pakistan, which is one of the mega projects in Pakistan. Uh, then like if I speak about the like for us, water is we use 3 types of water. Like one water which we use for our product for the production of the coca product, and second is like the water which is used for the washing, for the treatment, and a lot of other things. So now with the help of the training and development and with the technology, we are using minimum water for this part, and that water which is not consumed for our production, that actually goes to the water treatment plant. So every manufacturing plant is having its own water treatment plant, and we are having a fish pond everywhere at the plant. So that water is treated, and then it goes to the fish pond, and that water is actually good for the like for the marine life, and we give that water to the PHAs, to the other government authorities, and to the farmers to use for the tree plantation and harvest.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. So, Coca-Cola is a multinational. They've made commitments internationally in terms of net zero. So, they will be mobilizing funds, and other countries would be also bringing in, Coca-Cola would be bringing in innovations in other countries also. What is the ambition like in terms of what more can we do? And what is the ratio that you mentioned, if you may repeat it, that how much you consume and how much you through circularity, bring it back into the water system. If you could talk
Yeah,
about
so like
that,
it is,
and also international examples on how Coca-Cola is moving forward with its net zero commitment, and where is
so net
Pakistan
zero
positioned?
commitment is actually not a new thing for Coca-Cola. We are as I told you that we are actually doing this since last like many years. We started this program in 2015, and since then like we have taken various initiatives at our plant. So uh, so like one thing is like the water we extract from the soil. So we treat that water, and then we send back that water to the nature as well. But other than that, like we are arranging clean drinking water for the community. So that water, which is basically the water from the government and some like other sources. So we are treating that water, and we are converting that water into a drinkable condition, and then providing to the community. So like we are having the number we can share with you, but we are whatever we are using in our production, we are giving 100% back to them.
And which communities are you focused on in terms of like water stressed communities or?
Yeah. So previously, like I think many years back, so if we were extracting water from Lahore, maybe we were giving back that deficit of the water to maybe Sindh or some other areas. But now as per the new guidelines, first we do the surveys that where the water is scarce, and according to the scarcity of water,
Right.
we basically design the program which are implemented on the same place where from where we are extracting the water.
Thank you very much.